Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks on AWS and Azure DevOps. Today we shall discuss how to connect MySQL installed on EC2 remotely. In order to get the training for the Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure, Web CI/CD, please contact on this WhatsApp number. All the video on this channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please search for DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Today we shall discuss how to access MySQL installed on Ubuntu 22.04 remotely. When we install MySQL on Ubuntu 22.04, then by default it is accessible from the localhost. The bind address is 127.0.0.1 and it is not accessible from the developer machine. So today we shall check how we can connect it from the developer machine. When we connect MySQL from the developer machine, we get this error. Ubuntu 22.04 cannot connect to the server. Now in the next page we shall fix this issue, how we can access it remotely. The solution of the above error is log into the Ubuntu 22.04, then go to the path this one, because on the Ubuntu 22.04 the path is different as compared to the Ubuntu 18.04. On this path, use the command sudo nano mysqlid.config. At this position of the bind address, we shall change 127.0.0.1 to 0000. From the security point of view, you can use the public IP of the address at this position. This file of like mysql id.cnf, we have, this is the file. Update the bind address. We shall update the bind address, this one, from 127.0.0.1 to 0000. It will be publicly accessible. After updating the bind address, we shall perform the three tasks in sequence. First of all, we shall apply Ctrl O. After that, press the enter, and at last press the Ctrl X. Make sure that you have, after change, you have applied the command sudo systemctl restart mysql. Now in this case, please open the workbench and click the plus button. When you press the click button, apply the public IP address, user and password, you will access the MySQL. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior DevOps engineer. Wish you good luck for your career.